All right, guys, so we are talking today about what you need to know for Module 4. All right, so with Module 4, we have a vocab and study sheet. You also have your assignment, and there are two parts to this assignment. There is the worksheet and the form. They're both going to be attached to that assignment. Also, to help you out with the assignment, there will be quite a few lectures, and we'll talk about the lecture compendium that is going to show you where all of the lectures are at. And the quiz for Module 4 will be on Friday. If you have any questions, I want you to make sure that you are emailing me. Don't be posting a comment into the classroom anywhere. Go to your email me directly. All right. So the Module 4 vocab and study sheet. So for Module 4, we are covering all these 4 rests. Notice that these rests go along with the notes that we learned in Module 2 in our week 2. Okay, we are also learning about 2 new time signatures. In addition to 4/4, we now have 3/4 and 2/4, and we'll learn what those mean and how we use them. Specifically, can you identify a time signature based on a measure that you see, and can you complete a measure based on the time signature? Okay, so it's going to have some notes, and you need to finish out the measure with the note that you choose. All right. And in addition to those rhythms that we are learning, we are also learning our basics on dynamics. Okay, so dynamics that are talking about how loud or soft the notes are or should be produced, right? You either play it or sing it. This is talking about piano being soft and forte being loud. Finally, we're going to talk about the crescendo. This is also part of the dynamics. The crescendo means to gradually get louder. So I start soft, and get louder. Next up, we have the assignment that you're going to be working with. All right, so this assignment will have 2 parts to it. You have the worksheet that you need to be finishing, and you also have a form. So here's the worksheet. It has 4 pages to the worksheet once again. And you also have this Google form. Now this form is kind of special, and we're doing something different this time around. This form is going to require you to record some audio and attach it to the form so that I can grade you actually producing some music. All right. So there are 2 parts to the assignments this week. All right. Next up, we are going to be talking about the lecture component of the class, this module. So our lectures are going to be here with Module 4 lectures and tutorials. Now I have created a special Google Doc for this. This Google Doc is going to show all the different lectures that we have. We have what the title of the lecture is going to be. We have a spot for the link, and none of the lectures are quite created yet. This is the first one to go up. And the posting date, so when it is posted or expected to be posted. And we also have the questions on your worksheet or your assignment that will help you out for the assignment. Right, so if I take a look, numbers 1 through 12 on the assignment, you will have, watching that first lecture will help you out on questions 1 through 12. And notice this lecture right here, that's where it's at. Okay, it's the overview of everything that we are doing for Module 4. And when we get into these next lectures, it's talking about the specifics for Module 4. All right, and also be prepared for the quiz on all the information that you are going to be learning through this assignment on Module 4 on Friday. And once again, if you have any questions, email me. And as always, be better than you were yesterday.